Hey y'all, so I just finished washing my hair and conditioning it with the Olaplex bond maintenance bundle that you get in a box. It's like five different products you get. So I wanted to give a review on it. So I don't like the shampoo. It mats my hair together and it makes it kind of feel harsh. I do not like the shampoo. But I love the hair mask they have. So that's what made me keep using it, and especially because it's expensive. I didn't buy this, and I'm like, I gotta keep using it. But I actually will not be using it anymore, to be honest. Like, I'm not. I don't like the harshness of it, so I will not be using it on my hair. I don't know if Olaplex has a moisturizing shampoo, but the one I got that was included in the box says just bond maintenance shampoo. So it has the word bond in there. It bonds my hair together. I don't like it. It mats it up. So my recommendation, I wouldn't, you got hair like mine, 4C, I guess it's 4C hair. These tight curls y'all see. I wouldn't recommend it, but I do love the hair mask that they have. I do love it. It smells good and it makes your hair feel soft and silky. So I do like their hair mask. But yeah, so I am doing my hair. I'm detangling it now, and I'm gonna blow dry it in sections because I have to do that because my curls are so tight. I have to do sections to make sure it gets all dry. And I will be doing my own braids. I'm doing like medium size, like micro braids, like the old school way. I'm doing it with Human Hair by Janet. You guys want to see soon once I finish this or whatever. But yeah, because my scalp now is allergic to the regular synthetic hair, braiding hair. So now every time I want to do braids, I have to use Human Hair. But I did hear about this other company just recently that is supposed to be hypoallergenic free. Synthetic hair. I may try it out and see what that's about, but the regular braiding hair makes my scalp get dandruff, and I never get dandruff ever. I get dandruff and my hair be like, my scalp be itchy. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. The Human Hair Janet by Janet with this hairstyle you guys gonna see me do. And I'm gonna shut up until we get to the braiding part. Oh yeah, to add, y'all see me put up in the video the Mazzani. So I did use the Mazzani. It's a leave-in conditioner. I used it because it is a heat protectant as well. So I put that in because I'm about to blow dry at real high heat. So that's why I put that in. But all the other products I put in prior was the Olaplex. I did the Olaplex shampoo, the conditioner. I did the conditioner mixed with the hair mask, and then I did their other leave-in conditioner as well. After I washed the mask and conditioner out, they have like this small little container of leave-in conditioner I did use. But yeah, that's all the products I use before blow drying my hair. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I'm using the three-way mirror. I got it, I had it for like a year now, and I love using it, especially when doing braids. Like, I am a DIY girl, so I've been doing my hair since I have been like 11 years old. And when I seen this on YouTube, I had to get this three-way mirror. I'm like, why have I not known about this? Like, so since I don't use it often, I'm still kind of like new, like on how to use it. But let me tell you, it's so much better than being completely blind, even if it's not perfectly straight. But like, you still have some form of guidance until I get even more better. But I think the parts still came out good. And this is the Janet hair, y'all, I was talking about. It's human hair. Yeah. It's called New Deep Bulk. And I got this this was like in April. Yeah, this was like April. So if y'all watch my other video of my hair length check and everything, I was supposed to come back and show you about the hair affinity update. Y'all just know I have to postpone that now just because I put this in my head. So yeah, I have this in my hair now, so that's why I couldn't come back and give y'all the review on the hair affinity pills, but I'm gonna just postpone it. And also, I am a DIY girl, like I told y'all, so I am creating my own DIY hair growth oil. So I am actually going to start doing that in July of 2026. Once I take this hair out, I will be basically concocting my own hair growth oil, and I will be showing the before and after pictures of that. So that'll be sometime maybe in the fall. Y'all be getting a hair length check again, and I will be showing y'all what I use in my hair growth oil. But yeah, y'all, so this is what my hair came out to be. Put some mousse on there, some like hair curl cream to get the curls going. And I did do the cheat method. I don't know if y'all noticed. So the hair I had left over, I just put it into my bun to make it thicker. But yeah, so their hair comes on a track, and I love that so much. I'm glad that it didn't come without it. It was so much, it wasn't messy. You can take little pieces at once to do your braids. So I did like that a lot. But how y'all think I did? How y'all like my hair? Let me know in the comments. Is you a DIY girly too? Y'all, this took me like 2 days. Yeah. I be hating doing my hair, but I be liking it at the end. And I save money, so it's all good. It's all good. Thanks for tuning in. See y'all next time. Bye.